Samsung's biggest reveal of the year is just a day away. But the suspense? Already broken. A massive leak has spilled nearly every detail about the company's upcoming foldables and wearables. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, Z Flip 7 Special Edition, and the entire Galaxy Watch 8 series. Courtesy of renowned leaker Roland Quant, 14 high-quality official promotional images have surfaced online, giving us a full preview of Samsung's next-generation devices. And these aren't concept renders. They're the actual promo visuals Samsung planned to unveil at Unpacked. The leak confirms a dream lineup: 3 foldables, 2 Galaxy Watch 8 variants, and even the Galaxy Ring, which looks unchanged from its earlier debut. But the biggest surprise? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 appears radically redesigned. Samsung may have scrapped the under-display camera, and there's still no sign of S Pen accessories, which has fans worried. Here's what the promo leak reveals. Galaxy Z Fold 7 comes in Silver Shadow, Jet Black, and Blue Shadow. It's officially Samsung's thinnest and lightest foldable ever. It packs a 200 megapixel main camera, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite chip, and significant performance boosts: CPU plus 38%, GPU plus 26%, NPU 41%. Battery life reaches up to 24 hours of video playback, all from a 4,400 mAh battery. The outer screen is 6.5 inches, the inner expands to 8 inches, and somehow, despite that, it only weighs 260 grams and measures just 4.2 millimeters when unfolded. This early leak isn't just surprising, it's electrifying. Seeing the Z Flip 7 for the first time, resting on what seems to be its official retail box, you instantly get the sense that Samsung is playing in a league of its own this year. This isn't just another iteration, it's a bold evolution. The design has been polished to near perfection. The new dual-camera layout looks symmetrical and purposeful, while the premium finish, likely Gorilla Glass Victus 3 or something even tougher, catches light in a way that screams sophistication. Everything about this device radiates flagship quality, and that's before we even get to how it folds. The hinge looks like a masterpiece in itself, more compact, more solid, and now nearly gapeless when closed. That tiny flex you used to feel in previous models? Gone. Instead, you get a clean, silent, and confidence-inspiring fold that shows just how far Samsung's engineering has matured. The compact footprint makes it perfect for one-handed use, while still giving you a full-screen experience when unfolded. It's clear Samsung has gone back to the drawing board, not just refining, but redefining what a clamshell foldable should be in 2025. You can almost feel the balance between style and substance. No creaks, no compromise. Just a razor-sharp focus on user experience. And even though official specs are still under wraps, this video tells us a lot. The Z Flip 7 looks thinner, perhaps even lighter, yet sturdier. That likely points to upgraded internals. Possibly a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, better heat dissipation, and smarter battery management. We also expect this to launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16, bringing a wave of AI-powered features and multitasking enhancements that take full advantage of the foldable form factor. And let's talk about that camera. While we're seeing only 2 lenses, don't be fooled. Samsung's software processing paired with larger sensors and AI optimization could make this the best performing flip camera yet, especially for low-light shooting and social media-ready content. There's also growing speculation about Samsung finally integrating improved dust resistance and enhanced water sealing, something the foldables category has struggled with in the past. If that's true, it could mean the Flip 7 isn't just stylish, it's built to last. This time showing a dummy unit of the Z Fold 7 placed side by side with today's top flagships. And honestly, this could change everything. Thanks to newly leaked images from Amiron X, we now have our clearest look yet at what appears to be either the Galaxy Z Fold 6, or more likely, the all-new Z Fold 7. And here's the shocker. The side-by-side comparison with the Galaxy S24 Ultra is wild. The Fold dummy features a sharp, flat-edged design that instantly makes the S24 Ultra, yes, the very same device we praised, look a little dated. It's bold, boxy, and futuristic with a clean, pill-shaped camera module that's minimal, sleek, and downright stunning. But the real game changer? That front design. The bezels are incredibly slim and perfectly uniform, and the outer screen is noticeably wider. This might finally be the year where the cover display feels like a true smartphone experience. No more compromises. Then comes the thickness, or better yet, the lack of it. Side by side with the S24 Ultra, the Fold 7 dummy looks shockingly slim even while closed. The hinge gap? Practically gone. It folds almost completely flat. And get this, the dummy reportedly measures just 4.7 millimeters when unfolded. That's thinner than a USB-C port. Closed, only 10.1 millimeters, which is actually slimmer than many traditional smartphones. Next to a Google Pixel, the difference is dramatic. Samsung's industrial design makes the Pixel look soft and dated in comparison. It's clear, Samsung is going all in on a bold, premium, futuristic design. Meanwhile, Samsung just shocked social media with a high-energy teaser video on X, offering a glimpse of what's coming soon. Headlining the show, the sleek Galaxy Z Fold 7, the stylish Z Flip 7, and, for the first time ever, a daring new trifold device. The teaser uses vibrant, energetic visuals, including the words run, a skateboard riding Z, and symbols like a shoe and a camera, hints that point to improved performance, durability, and enhanced camera features. Interestingly, the teaser suggests that blue will be the signature color of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, while coral red may represent the Galaxy Z Flip 7. It also introduces something called Selfie Studio, which could either be a new One UI 8.0 feature or a creative setup at Samsung's Galaxy Experience spaces. The teaser ends with a bold "Coming soon July 9th, 2025, confirming that Samsung will unveil not just the Fold 7 and Flip 7, but also a budget Flip FE, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and the 2025 Watch Ultra. Pre-reservations are already live in key markets like the US, where customers can claim a $50 Samsung credit and enter a sweepstakes to win $5,000.